Hi everyone, it's Shelly Penny with Twisted Fish Artisan Jewelry, and today I'm going to show you a quick little craft that I came up with because I had this really cute, very beautiful actually, crystal covered doorknob, and I wanted to make some kind of a Christmas craft. It has a flat bottom, so I was trying to think of something that would just stand up on your counter, your table, or something like that. So I thought about making a Christmas card holder for that one special card that you get. And here's what we're going to do. I pulled out the Holiday 2021 I Don't Sled, I Sleigh collection of a bead mix, from Jesse James Beads, because it has a couple of large hole beads here. And those large hole beads just happen to be perfect for fitting over the screw. So, and then we have a few other things here. So let me just get started here by taking a piece of 20 gauge wire about 6 inches long or so, and I'm just going to wrap it around the screw. So we're just going to do one wrap around, and then get my pliers, and I'm just going to tuck that around. Wrapped around once, and then pulled that wire back around. Now this is going to go up over the top, so I'm just going to pull it up over the top for now and let it be while we decide what we're going to put on the bottom. So the screw is going to go in this way. This is going to be the top of the beads. So what do I want at the top? I think I like the red rhinestone there at the top. And then I'll put that one there. That's going to be my base for my little ornament. And then I would normally put a little bit of glue or Loctite on the bottom of the screw, but I want to make sure first before I do that I'm going to like it. So I'm just going to screw it on here, get it on there good and tight. And you screw it on good and tight, you can sort of push the wire up as snug as it'll go up there, and that will lessen the amount of space we have up here to cover that. Then I'm going to just bend that up and put a few beads on here. I've got a bead cap I'm going to put to cover the top of that screw. And then I can just put some pretty things on there. So I think I'll start with that pretty green. It might go down in there. I don't want it to be too tall, so those aren't going to work. Because I don't want it to topple over. So I do love those rhinestones studded. Alright, so we'll just do that. I think we'll put a green bead on, and then we'll put on one of these little white crystals at the top. And that is going to be plenty tall enough for our little ornament. So now I'm just going to move these things out of the way. I'm going to take my pliers, and I'm just going to go perpendicular here. I'm going to take my bail making pliers, and I'm going to make a split ring kind of idea with my bail making pliers. This is going to hold a card. Now this is what I have here. I'm going to take this and wrap it around a couple of times. I'm just trying to do it at an awkward angle so the camera can get it, and that's not always perfect, is it? Now, just to make sure this is tight enough, I'm just going to wrap it around here once. All right, that is it. So, I have this cute little project here. Now, what I would do is I'm going to lay this on my block later and give it a little tap with the hammer. And now this will sit on a table like so. I could straighten it up a little bit here. Make sure all the things are tucked in. And then you could put your favorite, let's see what I've got here. You could put your favorite Christmas card in like that and sit that on the table. So if this is loose like this, all you have to do is, because it's wire, sort of take it through and pull it this way a little bit and then move it back. There we go. And there you go. You have a beautiful little table ornament to put a Christmas card on. Or you can put name cards for your Thanksgiving or your Christmas dinner. There you go. If you like that, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. It's Twisted Fish Artisan Jewelry, and fish is with a PH. And you can follow me on Facebook as well. Have an awesome day.